Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm back with a very exciting video. Last week, MGA reached out to me and asked me if I was interested in reviewing some of their new Rainbow High dolls. From what I've seen of them, I did really like them, so I was really excited when they sent me this box that had two dolls inside. They sent me Violet and Sunny. I will do a separate review for Sunny too, but in this video I'll be unboxing and giving a complete makeover to Violet. I also quickly want to mention for all my Dutch followers that these dolls came out in the Netherlands as well. So if you want to get some of your own Rainbow High dolls, make sure to check out Intertoys or bol.com. The boxes for these dolls are absolutely stunning. In the back, it says Rainbow High, and it shows you the artwork for all the dolls in this wave, including the ones that I got. I think I love the design for Ruby most, because I love her red hair and she really rocks that street style, which makes her look the most realistic to me. The box has this really cool holographic color effect, and on the bottom they welcome you to Rainbow High, the boldly colorful fashion school where everyone learns to flaunt their true colors. All the girls that came out do have one specific color, forming the rainbow altogether. On the bottom of the box, it also shows you some close-up artwork of all the girls. And what I think was really interesting is that on Violet's box, the colors did not match up with the characters' colors. And when I checked Sunny's box, these colors did match. The front of the box looks really nice and luxurious, with the doll displayed, and the extra fashion and shoes as well. I really like that these dolls come with second outfits, and having the doll displayed like this helps out collectors like me find that perfect doll, so I appreciate that a lot. And now, I'll finally take this doll out of her box to take a closer look. What I also found really interesting about this box is that the box itself was mainly red, even though Violet is the purple doll. So I'm really curious about the other boxes too. Behind the first compartment that held the doll's extra outfit, you can find her doll stand. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love it when dolls come with their own doll stand. She also comes with some hangers for that second outfit, which I think is a very cute added detail. That second outfit is in these separate boxes, and let me tell you that I struggled getting these open. When I finally managed though, it really was love at first sight, because look at how realistic these pieces look. Violet comes with this purple leather jacket, with this actual working buckle, and some really cool zipper details. Inside of this jacket and inside of that second dress are these plastic dress forms of the doll as well. That gives you an idea of how the outfit will look on the doll's body. Then we have this really cute light purple dress with these white ribbon straps and waistband that says Rainbow in black letters. It is made of several layers, with the top layer having some gems on them as well. The dress velcros in the back, so you can easily redress your doll. The extra shoes she comes with are these purple strappy heels that were a little sticky, which did feel a little weird. However, they do look really cute, with the ribbons painted in a different shade of purple than the base of the shoes, all finished in that pearlescent glow. What I did notice when redressing the doll is that the ankle straps of the shoes are completely closed, which makes it pretty challenging to put these shoes on the doll. Then I still have to take a look at the main attraction, which of course is the doll. She was secured in the box really well, so it did take me a good 5 minutes until I managed to get her out. While I'm unboxing her, I quickly wanted to discuss the Rainbow High animated series that is coming out soon, which I'm so excited for. Seeing some sneak peeks in the doll commercial and on the Rainbow High Instagram, it looks like a very high quality animation, and I'm really curious what the storyline will be. I really want to know your guesses about the story, so please share those in the comment section. And then I finally have the doll out of the box. Right out of the box, Violet's hair is already way prettier than I expected. It doesn't really show up in the video footage as well, but there are so many different colors in her hair. From grey to blue, several shades of purple, and some pink as well. Her hair is styled with that front piece pulled back in a ponytail, and she has some purple and blue bangs. And her eyebrows are light purple as well. Then these dolls have the prettiest eyes ever, which is probably one of the most unique features about these dolls and one of the reasons so many people are crazy about them. The eyes are these inset eyes with a purple and blue gradient effect. For her eyeshadow, Violet is wearing purple sparkles, and the doll has actual lashes as well. The lips look really nice as well, with a neutral tone, but the shape is really pretty. These dolls do have a light pearlescent glow to their faces, but it's not too extreme, which I did expect based on some pictures I've seen online. There is a lot of product in the front of the hair, but the back is really nice and soft. So if you want to see Violet once I've customized and washed her hair, make sure to stay tuned. The outfit Violet is wearing is this really cool faux fur purple jacket and this sequins dress underneath that I would have liked a lot more if the fit was just a little different. Then she's wearing these pearlescent socks with her purple shoes that have pearls on the heel and an RH buckle that stands for Rainbow High, which is a pretty cute detail. The doll is also wearing some purple star earrings that are easily removable. Rainbow High dolls can move their head from side to side. Unfortunately, they can't look up or down, which I do miss for my doll photography. The bodies though are very nicely articulated, with movement at the shoulders that can go up really high, elbows with a very good range of motion too, and a wrist that can move as well, which allows the doll to touch her hair and face without problems. Then she also has articulation at the hip and the knee. This joint does look like it would give you even more movement than it actually does, but the knees do allow you to sit your doll down really well. There's no movement at the ankle, but when I was redressing her, I did notice an extra point of articulation at the upper leg, which allows you to twist the leg in different positions. And then it was time to play with her beautiful hair. As you might know, I'm not the biggest fan of bangs, and I have seen pictures of her without those, so I really wanted to see how I would be able to remove these bangs. Pulling on some strands, most of them actually came out really easily, which was really convenient for this customization. I was really nervous for that pink part of the bangs, because that is rooted in the front hairline, and I didn't want to ruin this doll completely by giving her some major bald spots. However, pulling the hair went pretty well for me. As you can see in that first part, I removed the hair from the plugs, and the rest of the hair is staying in place and is rooted in the same hair plugs, which makes sure she won't have any bald spots. For parts of the bangs that were harder to remove, I cut those short and pulled them out with tweezers, being really careful for the other hair I wanted to stay in place. Once I successfully removed the bangs, I dressed Violet in a dress I don't mind getting wet and start brushing all the hair out. As you can see, her hair is thatched around the part where she had the ponytail, so I'm using that parting space as her side part. Then I just rinse out the hair in cold water, trying to remove as much of the gel as I can. While doing this, I try to avoid getting the ice wet, since I'm not sure how well the ice can handle water. When I feel like most of the product has washed out, I brush out all the hair again. And that already made such a huge difference. There were still some spots in the hair I wanted to smooth and straighten out, and I also wanted her parts to lay really nice and flat. So I did go in again with hot water this time. In this step, you'll notice I brush out the hair while rinsing it, trying to brush the hair in the direction I want it to stay in as much as I can. After washing out the hair, you can see how soft and shiny the hair is. But there were some long stray ends that I simply cut off to match the rest of the hair. For some extra volume and movement, I quickly wrapped her hair around straws to give it a curl. I am thinking about adding a lot more layers in this hair to have it look like a proper hairstyle, but I'm really curious about your opinions, so please let me know in the comments down below if I should. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for that Sunny review too. If you want to see more pictures of my dolls, including the Rainbow High Violet doll, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, @thedollboy. See you next time!